Hey everybody, it's Streamline Steamroller. So this is going to be a sort of a first for me. This is going to be a repair video of a Realtone 8 transistor pocket radio from, looks like, the mid-60s. This is a model TR1820, I believe. But yeah, I picked this up at a local antique store today. And I mean, just look at it. It's really cool looking. Let's see, let's go. So I put a battery in it, and this is what we get. It kind of works. But we're distorted, and the sensitivity is much better than it was earlier today. But it's nowhere near where... Well, actually, it's pretty close. Huh. Wants to behave for the camera. But as you can hear, we have a dirty volume switch. So we're gonna clean that. We're gonna probably replace a couple of capacitors in here, maybe resistor or two, and well, we'll open it up and I'll report back. Be right back. Okay, well, here's the inside of the radio. See, I have a Rayovac battery in here. It still has the original connector. It doesn't look like much has been done to this little set. There's a little Faraday bar antenna. That thing's tiny, but it's a good thing this isn't cracked, because I have another radio where it's cracked. It still works, but sometimes it can, you know, go out of whack. But yeah, there it is. You can see we have the old style trace. So maybe this is actually still has a civil defense. So maybe it's 63. I would say about 63. Anywho, so we'll open it up and I'll report back. Okay, we're in like Flynn. So we can see, looks pretty original. I don't see too much except that electrical tape. It looks almost like it could be original. Maybe they did that. I have no clue. It has this very cool vintage smell to it. But anywho, so yeah, we can see some of our capacitors are bulging, like that one. Though a lot of these are ceramic disc. Okay, that's good. Really, the only two capacitors I can see is this one and this one. I don't see that. I haven't checked the values yet, but we'll find out in a minute. Okay, so here are replacement capacitors. This is a 4.7 microfarad to replace the 5 microfarad here, and then here's a 47 to replace the 50 microfarad here. And again, capacitors are one of the main problems, but they're not always the problem, so we'll see what happens. By the way, these capacitors came off of this circuit board that came out of an old CRT monitor. Yeah, look at all those caps on there. These things are great. If you see one in the trash, go ahead and pick one up, and then you can start repairing some radios. Anywho, so we're going to stick these in here, and I'll report back. You can really see the difference in the size of these capacitors. I mean, this is 50 microfarad at 10 volts, and this is 47 at 16. This thing's already about twice, almost half the size of this. It's really amazing where technology has brought us. But okay, we're gonna stick this in the radio and see what it does. Okay, everybody, I've replaced the two capacitors. This is the 50 microfarad. You can already tell this thing is probably no good because of the bulge on it. And this one, the 5 microfarad, could be questionable, but you know what? I'm just going to replace it, be done with it. So anyhow, so we're back together. You can see the replacements here and here. Excuse me. I'm going to turn this on and see what it does. Might have a dirty control switch. I sprayed that already with contact cleaner, and it's still not up to snuff. You can see we're a lot better now.
Invention, visuals. Summer's here. It's time to go to Vegas.
Oh, that's interesting.
Free iHeartRadio app.
I think it was just a little bit too much. Doing pretty good, looks like.
Workshop where you learn how to make money flipping.
Well, take a look at this speaker in this thing. Look at that design. That's cool. And also, look at the cute little tuning dial. Look at this. Isn't that adorable? It's adorable. Oh yeah, and this little plate here, this is almost like a lithograph. In fact, I think it is lithograph. It's pretty cool. Anywho, so we're going to put this little guy back together, and I'll report back. Right back. And I've said that a lot in this episode. Well, in this video. Okay, we're all put together, and would fire her up.
France and Hillary Clinton. It's all coming up in the next 15 minutes, but...
Stupid ghetto rap stuff. There are foreign speaking stations. This thing's still... Oh, sorry, I'm not focused on the radio. Let's see, we still have the civil defense markings.
They're mine. And you're on deck with Rock in the yard, 30. Oh, the people who live... Talk, but Jacob's got a whole bunch of seven-figure settlements that show he's the one that will fight.
That's KCBS. That's broadcasting out of San Francisco, I believe. And what is it? 5 o'clock in the afternoon? So that's not too bad.
My roof is leaking in so many places.
Or maybe it's not. That's probably it. No? I think that station's actually broadcasting over it.
The emails have come out that the system was indeed rigged. Come on, Pete, you're better than that.
Well, there it is. The, I'm still not sure on a year. I'm gonna say 63, 64, maybe 65. Realtone TR1820 Transistor Pocket Radio. Hope you enjoyed it. Y'all have a good day. See you in my next video. Oh yeah, one thing. Doesn't this thing kind of look like a microphone? Like a push to talk? Anywho, see y'all in my next video. Okay, bye.